ndewo. Yes, I know you've heard me say it in the beginning of this class, and even in our last class you heard me say it. So I'm going to tell you what ndewo means today. So the word ndewo is a form of pleasantries in Igbo language. So it means hello, hi. Sometimes people use it in greetings. Yes, people use it to greet others. Instead of saying good morning or good afternoon, instead of saying otutu ọma in Igbo or ibolachi, which is good morning in Igbo language, you can say ndewo. So whether you see anyone in the morning, afternoon, evening, any time of the day, you can just say to the person hello, which is ndewo. You say ndewo. Can you say that? Ndewo. Ndewo. That's the first word. The second one we are going to be looking at today is dalo. I know you've heard it somewhere before. Dalo. Dalo is a way of saying thank you in Igbo language. Dalo. So when someone gives you something, when someone does something for you, and you want to say thank you in Igbo language, you would say what? Dalo. Can you say it? Dalo. Thank you. Another word for thank you again in Igbo language is imela. Imela. One name imela. Chioma imela. Uche imela. Saying thank you. You can say thank you to your mom, your partner, your business partner. Oh, imela. Dalo. You know, saying thank you for whatever you are grateful for from somebody. And you can always say thank you to God. Imela Chukwu. Chukwu in Igbo means God. Chineke means God in Igbo language. So you can say thank you God. Dalo Chineke. Dalo Chukwu. Imela Chineke. Imela Chukwu.